Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios. We're looking at the Austin. This is a B400B1. It's a HealthMate. This is an air purifier, really fantastic air purifier. Now I do have a fan sitting on it, and this is one that we've used for a couple years now, so you can see it has a little bit of dust on it, but it's the actual thing, and we've actually used it for quite some time. Settings are easy to do. 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, off. This thing is a powerful air purifier. Now, personally, I have cat allergies, so using this air purifier in the side of the room has made a huge difference in my issues with potential allergies. Also, my mother-in-law, she had breathing problems associated with ALS, so keeping the air clean was very important for her, so we went high-end with the Austin. So the Austin HealthMate, obviously one of the best air purifiers on the market. If you have any real health issues and you're trying to just live your best life, have your best air possible, Austin is the brand for you. See, this thing really purifies the air. So go ahead and order today. This thing is certainly one of the best air purifiers on the market. All right, thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.